What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is John Paul Investing. Intraday we're trading a lot lower than we were just the prior week. Right now my personal portfolio is down around 17% on the week and around close to 4% on the month. But if you look at the grand scheme of things, everything is still very beautiful in the markets. We have not seen a correction like this since I want to say around July or August last year. And then if there's anything comparable, the previous correction or crash, so to speak, that's even close to this is going to be the one that we saw at the start of CV19 in March of 2020. So it's about time that we finally get some more buying opportunities, and I would say that these dips are perfect opportunities to start averaging in heavier positions into stocks that you already know and love to own. So I'm going to go over Nano Dimension's price targets and give you my overall thoughts on the market. I don't think that this is a bear market that's going to persist for, months and months and months. I think this is just a rebalancing, a little bit of a correction to present more deals to us, and we are going to continue moving higher for the rest of this year, 2021. Now, before I got into the rest of the video, guys, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. This way you get notified when I make videos just like this one, and it's a way for you to show your support for the channel. And if you would like access to our private Discord community and know exactly when I buy and sell specific stocks that we talk about here on this channel, then I highly recommend you join the Patreon group in the description. It's a community of close to 200 investors, and we are just now about to start hosting private live streams on the Patreon group. And lastly, guys, don't forget your 2 free stocks using the WeBull link in the description. All you have to do is open an account with them and deposit $100 into the account. You don't have to buy any stocks, and then you will get your 2 free stocks, and then you can sell them and do whatever you want with that money. You don't even have to buy any stocks. It essentially is free money, guys, so I highly recommend you check out the other link in the description also. So right now, guys, we are looking at a 17% drop in stock price for the week, and on the month, we are looking at close to 4%. We are down currently close to $1,000 on a $25-ish thousand account. Now, as you guys may already know, we have around $30,000 tied up in cash secured puts expiring in March of next month. I'm still fairly confident that these cash secured puts will regain value towards the end of the expiration, and by the time we get close to expiration, if not after expiration, we should be above our break-even prices, if not above our put prices, which in turn means we would keep 100% of our premiums. But I'm thinking at least we'll be above our break-even prices. I don't think the markets will stay this cheap for too long. Now, the reason I'm so bullish on the market still is because we have not seen a downturn like this for months, if not a full year. And Jerome Powell just came out recently saying that they were not interested in raising any interest rates anytime soon because they don't see the economy exactly where they would like to see it. And if they were to increase interest rates right now, and especially how everything is still slow because of CV19, it would essentially put the economy at a halt. Essentially, they would be slowing down the heartbeat for the United States, and it just really would not be a smart move in order to try and pump the economy right now while things are in recovery mode. So the money is still going to be flowing. We just saw the bill pass the House to go to the Senate for a $1.9 trillion stimulus package. So we're not very far away from getting a possible approval for stimulus. On top of that, guys, rates are still historically low. So the money printing is still going to be fueling the markets right now. People are still looking for better opportunities than saving their money. Real estate is still on the rise. Interest rates are still desirable to keep the money flowing, guys. So I think, again, it is just a matter of time before all of this recovers and we see ourselves in the green for the week and then in turn the month. So right now in Nano Dimension, a pivoting price point, which was around $10.50, we saw support and then we broke beneath it and are now seeing resistance in price. So there is a chance that we could start to drop deeper in price. Maybe we could see a sharp pullback to around $6 or $7 in Nano Dimension price. That would be heavy buying opportunity because at $6 to $7 in Nano Dimension stock price, we're looking at around a 60% price correction in Nano Dimension stock price. And guys, the last time we even saw a drop that big was whenever it hit $6 the first time last year and dropped down to around $2.60, $2.70. So we have not seen a drop like this in a growth stock like Nano Dimension for close to 6 months now. Actually closer to 5 months, but pretty much it's been a little while and the markets have been moving upward steadily. So it was just about time market pulled back and gave us some more buying opportunities. So zooming out onto a daily chart, the areas of support you're going to want to be looking at is around $7.80, $8 in stock price. And then the next major price floor that we're going to try and see hold is going to be around $5 in stock price, which was the price that actually took us out of penny stock range to begin with. So really the price floor that I see possibly happening, especially right now with how the market is acting in terms of price action, and I think this would be a superb buying opportunity. So right now we know that Nano Dimension is sitting with around 250 million shares outstanding, and with $1.5 billion on the balance sheet, this puts them around a $6 valuation in just cash position. So if we were to go down to around $8 in stock price, we would be paying $6 for the cash position that they have currently, and then around $2 for the business itself, the technology, all the intellectual property they've developed, and the relationships that they have now. So around $8 in stock price in Nano Dimension is essentially $6 for the cash position and then $2 for the actual business. Or in other words, $2 is around $500 million in valuation. You have to think to yourself, all right, do I think $500 million is a reasonable valuation for Nano Dimension with their current technology? And to put that $500 million valuation into perspective, they have invested close to $100 million, if not a little more than $100 million into the business. So essentially you are investing in what you would believe is $400 million in value creation from the $100 million research and development that they have made over the years. Not trying to get too wordy, but I think these are things that you should consider, especially when stocks are getting cheaper and cheaper in price, and they're companies that you understand and are looking to accumulate more shares in the business. So right now, current short-term price targets on the downside is $8 in stock price, and I think that this would be a pretty good floor to average in some heavier positions. And once we do bottom out and we start to see a recovery, meaning that we see resistance breaking and we are starting to see support or price floors and not price ceilings, I think the next price target again is going to be our previous all-time high of close to $18. And materially, guys, Nano Dimension has not changed anything at all in the business besides closing their recent $500 million registered direct offering. So Nano Dimension is sitting on no debt, a ton of money, nothing materially has changed in the business, and the entirety of the market is down right now and presenting opportunities for all of us and is giving us opportunities to invest more, but at a cheaper price. You should be happy that stocks are coming down because this gives you buying opportunities. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to remind you that red days are the best days to start adding and accumulating into stocks that you know and own. It's very hard to find opportunities when the markets are, parabolic on the upside. So in my opinion, this is a blessing in disguise. So if you like watching videos like these, go ahead and hit that like button. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.